Good morning, children. Okay, how are you all? I hope all are safe in your homes and healthy. Okay, see this picture, all of you. What did you observe in this picture? Yes, the cells are present, the part of the onion peel. You know about onion peel. Why? Because you have learned in the previous lesson, the activity. Okay, you see next picture. These are also cells, but these are the leaf cells. Okay, these types of cells are form tissues. Okay, in the pots, animals are plants. The onion peel and leaf peels present in the plant tissues. Okay, what is the tissue? Definition of the tissue. What is the definition of the tissue? Is the group of the cells, group of the identical cells form a tissue. Okay, today our topic is plant tissues. Okay, the various types of tissues present in the plants. In our topic, the four types of tissues are present. They are meristematic tissue, dermal tissue, ground tissue, vascular tissue. Okay, what is the use of meristematic tissue? Okay, this tissue bring about overall growth and repair in the part of the plant. Next, dermal tissue. This outer coverage, the dermal tissue is the outer coverage parts in the plants. Next, ground tissue. The ground tissue is the bulk of the body, helping of the packing other tissues are called ground tissue. Next, last one, vascular tissue. What is the help of vascular tissue? The main function executed by vascular tissue in the plants. The supplies water and nutrients from the earth to plant. Okay. Okay. These four types of tissues present in the dicot stem. You observe in this picture the four types of tissues are present. Where are they located? Okay. The outer coverage is the dermal tissue. Okay. Below the dermal tissue, the meristematic tissue is present. Okay. The below the meristematic tissue, vascular tissue is present. The middle of the stem, ground tissue is present. Okay. Okay. We will discuss about one by one. First of all, meristematic tissue. Okay. The meristematic tissue. This picture is shoot tip of the stem. Shoot tip means the ending part of the stem, growing part of the meristematic tissue. Three types of meristems have. They are apical meristem, lateral meristem, intercalary meristem. What is the help of apical meristem? The meristematic tissue at the growing tip of the bring about growth in length are called apical meristem. The next one, lateral meristem. This is the lateral meristem, the tissue present around the edges in a lateral manner and giving rise to growth in the girth of the stem are called lateral meristem. Next, intercalary meristem. The intercalary meristem is also called cambidium. Okay, areas from which branches takes place are leaf, a flower, stalk, grows. We find a kind of meristematic tissue are called intercalary meristematic tissue. Okay, these are the meristematic tissue parts. Next, second one is the dermal tissue. You see this picture, the cells are present. Hmm? Dermal tissue is the covering area, outer covering area. The dermal tissue is the has three parts. They are epidermis, mesodermis, endodermis. Epidermis is the outermost layer. Mesodermis is the middle layer. Endodermis is the innermost layer. Okay. The surface of the epidermis has small pores. in this picture, the in green in color. Okay, did you see green in color? The small pores are present. They are called stomata. Okay, see in this picture, this is the stomata. Okay, the in the stomata, they are enclosed by two kidney shaped cells. They are called god cells. Okay, did you see god cells? Green in color. Okay, these god cells covered by epidermal cells. Between these god cells, the stomatal aperture is present. Okay, in the stomata, the chloroplast is present. What is the help of dermal tissue? What is the help of dermal tissue? Okay, the dermal tissue protects the plants from loss of water, mechanical damage like breaking and splitting of branches, and invasion of parasitic diseases causing organisms. In big trees, the dermal tissue forms several layers above the epidermis. It is called bark. Okay, the remaining tissues we are discuss in tomorrow class. Okay, understood? I hope all are understood. 6 minutes అయ్యింది వేడయింది